Allow us to provide you with a step-by-step guide on booking appointments at our consulate. To begin, visit consul.mofa.go.kr to access the Consular Services 24 page, and select your preferred language. If you're making a reservation from a mobile device, look for the 3 horizontal bars to access the My Services section. Within My Services, choose Reservation to visit a diplomatic mission to continue. A pop-up message will prompt you to log in as either a member or non-member to access the service. You can opt for either option. Proceed with your preferred choice. Click OK to close the pop-up and scroll down if you've chosen the non-membership login. Select Consent to all terms and conditions of use and click Confirm. Follow the subsequent instructions and complete your details, ensuring your name matches your passport, or enter your Korean name if you're of Korean nationality. Choose your method of authentication, typically involving your country code and phone number. Then click Send Authentication Number. Enter the authentication code and press Verify. A pop-up will confirm that your authentication has been successfully verified. Click OK and non-membership login to proceed. Under Make Reservation, select a specific diplomatic mission. In this case, it should be the Consulate of the Republic of Korea in Philadelphia. Under Select a Consular Service, choose Visa. Pick your desired date and time for your visit, and scroll down to enter the CAPTCHA code as displayed. Confirm your appointment by clicking Make Reservation. A pop-up will double-check if the provided information is correct. Press OK. And congratulations! You're now all set to visit our consulate. We look forward to seeing you soon.